stretch across the land, carved by forces none command. Silent giants standing still, gardens shaped by nature's will. Brush their rugged face, carving out each sacred space. Weathered edges softly show how creation moves so slow. Human steps and human plans fade beneath these timeless spans. Yet in standing where they stand, we feel life steps beneath our hands. Oh, the stones remember all, every rise and every fall, showing how the ages turn, what remains and what we learn. In their height we see our place, small but full of hope and grace. Nature's strength in every line, teaching us what lasts through time. The canyon whispers wisdom, shaped by